The primary purpose of the airbox cover is to secure and seal the air filter to the air filter base. The airbox cover also helps to efficiently route air into the engine for maximum performance. The airbox cover should be inspected each time the air filter is serviced. It can warp if the tool is overheated or by years of exposure to fuel. When this occurs, the cover may no longer hold the air filter tightly to the air filter base, which will possibly allow dirt and debris into the engine. If the airbox cover is warped or missing, it should be immediately replaced to prevent serious engine damage. Replacing the airbox cover is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the airbox cover. Now separate the knob from the airbox cover. I'll pull the knob out and then begin to rotate it. As I rotate, the threads will grab into the plastic and I can thread the knob away. Now I can install the new airbox cover. I'll install the knob by pressing it against the cover until the threads grab, and then just thread it into place. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the airbox cover. And that's how easy it is to replace the airbox cover on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.